channel. Thank you for watching all the previous videos and showing your support through comments and liking and subscribing my channel. So today's video is like the most awaited one. Several of my followers and my friends as well who follow my channel, they have asked me for this video. Like in a lot of videos I've been telling this is the faces nail polish that I will be reviewing, I will be swatching on my channel, I will be sharing the views about this on my channel. But due to some circumstances I was not able to do that. Like I was doing a lot of nail art videos, but I like did not have a lot of time, uh, to swatch each and every of them. I was doing them in parts. Like there were many nail polishes that I got from Faces Canada during this lockdown period, and it took me a while to review each and every one of them. But as promised, today I'm here with the reviews of Faces Canada nail polishes. There are different nail polishes that I got. Uh, I can show you. God, there are like a few more are also lying out there. I got a bunch of nail polishes from Canada, Faces Canada. To be exact, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 nail polishes in different variants that they have. I got the Splash nail polishes. I got the Ultime Pro one, the Gel Luster one. I got the High Shy ones, and that's it. These are the only ones that I got, and I still feel like there are a lot many nail polishes that I should go ahead and buy because I really love them. But it turns out I repeatedly buy the same colors from different brands, which can be a turn off. Because in the picture the nail polish looked a bit different. I buy them mostly online because you get better discounts over there. Uh, so yeah, in the picture the nail polish was looking up of different color, and then when you buy, then you realize, oh shit, I have 3 more nail polishes in the same shade, which I purchased thinking they all were different shades, which slightly they are, but mostly um, most people think that I have same shades. So enough blabber jabber. Let me talk about each nail polish, and then I'll give you a quick, not so quick because there are 12 to 14 nail polishes that needs to be swatched and shown in videos. A little elaborated swatches with you guys uh, towards the end of the video. So stay on, stay put, and watch each and every one of them. Okay. So which one should we start with? Let's start with the High Shine one. My first high shine, sorry, high shine nail polish was this one. Can you see? This is Spring Flower nail polish by Faces Canada. This is a beautiful, how to say, pastel yellow color. Sorry, I sometimes lost at my words. The MRP is 229, but we love discounts over online, so you can get it at a lower price. Then there is this High Shine nail polish. This is the new packaging, by the way. This is the old packaging that I got before they changed the packaging. So this one is 229, but the new packaging is 199. So there is a good 30 rupees difference in them. So again, cheaper online, buy. uh, this one is a Dreamy Blue. It's a beautiful purplish lilac kind of blue, not exactly blue. It's purplish lilac kind of blue, and I have similar one from TS Color Police, which is again I have to review. I have, I think, 14-15 nail polishes from TS Color Police, and I need to review them. Yeah. Next on agenda, this is the third nail polish by High Shine. Faces Canada High Shine. This one is Berry Punch. This is a cute powdery pastel pink color. Next one is this High Shine nail polish. This is Zingy Coral. This is a very nice bright coralish pinkish color. So we have, next one is High Shine Faces Canada nail polish, Banana Cream. So the story about this one was looking how to say it, a little a creamish white color in the nail polish picture online, but it turned out to be pastel version of this nail polish, coral pastel color. This is very light orangish peachish color, light peach color. If you guys remember Lakme peach milk moisturizer, the color that moisturizer has in a peachish color, this is the one exact same color. So these were the 5 High Shine nail polishes from Faces Canada. Apart from the spring flower one, rest of them are $199. But I suppose the new packaging has $199 for this one as well, so you can look for flower spring if you guys want this cute yellow color. I really love this one. I got a similar shade in sugar nail polishes. Okay, so all of them, apart from this one, this only because of the color, not the quality, only because of color I don't like it, because I'm not a fan of milky peach color, but rest of them I really love. This is a cute blue, very calming vibes to it, exactly dreamy blue. It has a very calming vibe. This I really love, and this one of course, and this one. All of them have a powdery kind of texture, so if you guys love creamy powdery textures in nail polishes, amazing coverage by the way. You can get a nice decent coverage in single coat, but for perfect one you need to get 2 coats of these, and this one. So buy if you guys love them. Next one is, this is a single nail polish from this range, Ultime Pro nail polish by Faces Canada. This one is Winelicious. I love this color. This has very gelish kind of luster to it. Again, the name says Faces Gel Luster. It is a beautiful color. It was so shiny, so pigmented on my nails, and it didn't make them yellow. None of these nail polishes made my nails pigmented. It's like there are some colors which can, which have a tendency to do it, but none of them they did that. This one also has a better lasting as compared to other Faces Canada nail polishes. So if you guys are looking for a gel-like finish in normal nail polishes, this is the one for you. Ultime Pro range. Go have a look to it. I really love this one. I have posted nail art designs with this one for bridal nail art design that you can do at home. In the tutorial I have done a nail art design with this one, so you guys can go through my videos, tutorials, beginner tutorials, and have a look at the designs that I've created with this one and watch this nail polish in action. watching the swatches. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I will post more nail polish reviews and swatches, of course, in future. So keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking. And thank you for watching my channel. Goodbye.